بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Brothers, sisters, in Lumio we can change the style. As you see here, there's a big difference between this style and this style. But unfortunately my computer is very slowed down. It's about to damage, so sometimes if your computer is not such a powerful computer, what you can do, you can just we rendered a picture, and we can, as you see here, we render it together. We can take this picture and take it to Photoshop, and we change some change, or we make some changes. First of all, just unlock this layer, and after that go to filter, camera raw filter, and you see we can here we can make some changes. We can change the sky, we can make many as many as changes we want. The first of all, I want to use increase this value, so it will be it will show me a little bit more realistic. And after that I can use, is here you can use exposures to increase or decrease exposures. It's just like this, and maybe as you see here, the highlights affects only the highlights, so I can put the highlights. Contrast again, see, I think now is good. Whites, as you see, there are some places whites, blacks, and shadows. As you see, the places where shadows will affect. For this, I think now is more realistic. Maybe this exposure a little bit, and I can go to with the curves, with the details amount. As you see, if you look at this area here, you see the details. It gives us more details here. This area and this area, you see. So you have to play around with these things, and here reds, somewhere where we have greens. You see, this one for the greens make much greener than you see here. Just look at this area, and we can make this one green. If you have some blue, like sky, we can just play around, and there are some other colors we can play around with this one. So as you hear saturation, there are many things that we can do it, but I think it's now is very good, so I will just click OK. And if I Control Z this one, you see a big difference, right? Totally a big difference between these two. After that, what we are going to do, we can make many things, but I think now is realistic. We can put some things here. However, villa should has its boundary wall. Okay, but we will leave just like this. We can put some text that represents that we did the work, the name of designer, and we can put some things. I don't want this one. Anyhow, I will add some text for this. Let's say designed by engineer Pshtewan Karim. I will go make like this one, and here we have from the paragraph. I want to from left to right side, and I will bring it to this point, and I will change the color to something like yellow. Okay, and D should be in small, and let's say we have maybe 50. Anyhow, whatever you want to write, you can write down. And from the character, I can make bold, or from here also I can change the font. Okay, I will select this one. Maybe I can I put some filters, blur, motion blur, resize. I want to make this one 0, and just like this, so we could get this effect. And after that, we fill we want as at the 75. Just finish it. You can put your mobile number if you want, or whatever you want. You can put your logo, any kind of things we can do with that. So I think now it's good. For this one is very good, so we can just save it, save as from here, F1. No, we don't want to just let's say Photoshop. Save. By the way, guys, it's not, it's Lumion is not like 3D Max, so we can put many things, trees, whatever we have, we can put in Lumion. After that, we can make or render the picture, and it doesn't it's compared to the V-Ray, it doesn't take time. Okay, so I think now is good, and we can send this one to the client, and he will see his own villa in 3D, and is in a good quality picture. And I think we finished everything. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. So thank you very much.